Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in St. Thomas, Jamaica. We are looking at the construction of the Morant Bay Urban Center. Now this is a 365,000 square foot space. It's going to be used it's a mixed use facility, but it's mostly commercial. So basically, the highway is coming through St. Thomas. The Southern Coastal Highway, it's being built from Harborview, going through St. Thomas into Portland. So it's opening up so many business opportunities for this side of the island. So this urban center is just one of two actually being built on this side of the island. There's another one being built in Portland. So we're giving you an update to show you what's going on with the building of this facility. So this integrated industrial and commercial complex will be a game changer for the people of St. Thomas. The center will house public and private sector entities providing a variety of services in what can be described as a one-stop shop. 365,000 square feet of office space will be created to facilitate the amalgamation of the services provided by the government of Jamaica and the private sector. Among the entities to be located at the Morant Bay Urban Center will be the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation, the Parish Court, the Registrar General's Department, the Tax Office, fast food establishments, and business process outsourcing companies, to provide employment opportunities for the people of the parish. The Morant Bay Urban Center is a cabinet-approved joint venture agreement between Factories Corporation of Jamaica and China Harbour Engineering Company. The Morant Bay Urban Center is presently overbooked. To date, interest in this project includes 2 BPO companies, a university, supermarkets, multiple fast food restaurants, along with other government and private sector entities. The rush to acquire properties in what has been sometimes described as a forgotten parish has seamlessly been boosted to work to develop the $6 billion Morant Bay Urban Center and the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. In excess of 200 workers are expected to be employed in the first phase of the construction of the Morant Bay Urban Center. Under the contract with China Harbour Engineering Company Limited, 80% of the labor force must be Jamaicans and reside in the area. The center will house more than 50 government and private sector entities, and it is expected that approximately 3,000 new jobs will be generated, which will utilize the local labor force. The partners are Morant Bay Urban Center Limited, which will own and operate the facility. Factories Corporation of Jamaica Limited, China Harbour Engineering Company Limited, and National Commercial Bank. The agreement is to construct the 436,000 square foot Montego Bay Urban Center at the site of the old Goodyear factory in St. Thomas. The completion and signing of the construction agreement with Czech is the last phase before the beginning of construction. The Morant Bay Urban Center Limited signed the loan agreement with NCB. Over the last year and a half, there has been a demand for additional space, which has moved the square footage from 365,000 to 436,000 square feet. Morant Bay Urban Center Limited has also moved the construction cost from Jamaican $5 billion to $5.9 billion. The MBUC will see the amalgamation of services provided by the government of Jamaica and private sector interests. Among the entities to take up space at the development are the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation, Ministry of Justice through the St. Thomas Parish Court, other government entities located in Morant Bay, and several private sector companies including KFC, Burger King, and business process outsourcing companies, just to name a few. Alright guys, so that's a summary of what's going on here. Now, let us know what you think about this facility. I think this is an excellent idea. Every parish in Jamaica needs a facility like this. Just have all the government agencies located very close together in one facility. It would save so much money and in expenses, etc. But we'll go into that in another video. Now, this is you see how many people want space over here. They had to increase the amount of space available because of the Southern Coastal Highway. If that highway was not built, I guarantee you there would not be as much interest in this facility as there is now. Because to get to Morant Bay before the highway was a tedious task driving on that road. But now you have highway quality road. You can get here in less than an hour. It took us, what was it? Probably an hour to get here with the road under construction. So can you imagine when the road is finished, how easy it will be to get here? But we'll keep you guys updated on this project. We'll give you updates every 2 weeks as to what's going on. But this is definitely a move in the right direction for Jamaica. And of course, China Harbour Engineering Company is the contractor. I mean, so you know it's going to be done. Forgive me guys, it's just a reality of life. If 80% of the workforce is Jamaican, this project is going to be delayed. It's not going to finish on time. But nonetheless, it's being built, which is what is important. I mean, that is what is important. And China Harbour Engineering Company is also doing the highway. They're doing all the major highways. The amount of projects that they are doing in Jamaica. And if you notice something, we'll talk about this more in another video, but NCB is financing this project, which is very good to know that local banks are investing like this in Jamaica. Alright guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.